This is the GSM switch and it's attached to a door lock. When there is a call, it will shift the bolt and lock the jack. Exactly like that. That's it. And when there is another call, it will drag will pull the bolt back and unlock. That door is locked as you have shifted it. And not open again. When there's another call now, he will respond and will drag the lock out again. That's it. He has dragged it out again. So the door can now be opened. He dragged the mechanism.